So let's say this person like was a bit late to the meeting. They just joined. It's like the last 10 minutes of the call, and they missed what was discussed. So the first thing this person, while they're in the call, they're going to say recap this meeting so far, and Copilot will give you a summary of what people talked about and what the important issues that you need to be aware of. And then you can ask it really smart questions like, how does the group feel about it? Like, what are people feeling? Are they excited? Are they not? Right? And that's how like really smart it is. And you can ask it questions like, what was unresolved? Did people ask questions that were not answered, and follow up needs to come out of it, right? So imagine like instead of wasting hours going through meetings that you missed and recording and taking notes, it just creates everything for you in a matter of seconds. So now we know what everyone discussed, what were the gaps, and how people feel about it as well.